Hello, EDD 7123 students. It's now time to move our efforts to the next unit of the course, the unit dealing with digital audio. We will spend the next 2 weeks on this unit's 2 modules. The Monday morning memo that accompanies this introductory video explains the textbook readings and the tutorial video viewings for the modules of this unit. But first, let's look back for a minute. I am now in the process of grading your examinations for the first unit of 7123. If you have not received your grade and my comments, you will within a few days. As I am sure you remember, each of you is required to write a 500-word explanation of 1 or 2 digital media terms. By now, most of you have also determined that 500 words takes between 4 and 5 minutes to read out loud. And our major assignments for 7123 are to produce a 4 to 5 minute podcast about a digital media term or topic for our wiki that we're creating. Well, you now have an example of a script for a podcast, the examination answers. I would guess that many of you will edit, modify, clean up, if you would, your examination explanations and turn them into scripts for your podcast. Naturally, you can select a completely different term or topic if you wish, but I am expecting most of you to send me an audio recording of your script, probably the script that accompanies or that was derived from your examination answers, using the revised examination narration, or if you want, a completely new one. Record your narration using Audacity or some other audio recording software, such as Adobe Audition or Apple's GarageBand. Send me your audio recording so I can critique it within the next week. If you'd like me to review the script first, that's okay too. Send it to me as soon as you have it ready. If you are using the narration you developed for the Unit 1 examination, you probably do not need to send me your written script. I will listen to your audio recording. I will comment on it, and I'll send you my comments. Your final assignment for this unit will be to revise your recording and send it to me as an audio file, which I will then grade and you will then use as the foundation for Unit 3 and ultimately Unit 4 of the course. Now let's review. First, read the assignments in your textbook and review the video tutorials that were assigned to you in the syllabus and in this week's Monday morning memo. Next, revise or write your 500-word script for your podcast. Third, send me the narration. While I'm listening to your recording and commenting on it, you can participate in the threaded discussions for this unit. After you receive my comments about your audio recording, revise the recording and send it to me for grading. You will then use this script and the recording as the basis for your continued work on your final podcast. A word about equipment. Audacity is a free open source audio recording software system that works very, very nicely for podcasting. You will probably need to download an additional file to add to Audacity in order to save your files in an MPEG format. A popular audio recording system for PCs is Adobe Audition. It's not too expensive, and many Apple computers come preloaded with Apple's GarageBand, which is a great podcasting system. Hardware requirements are simple. A microphone. You can use your laptop's built-in microphone, or you can use one of the microphones that you can connect to your video recorder. An external microphone tends to work better, especially ones that connect to the computer's USB port. The unit readings and tutorials will help you with this. We are moving ahead quickly, so do your best to stay current and remember, have fun.